on my screen you can see a lucky patcher. Link is given in the description down there, you can check out there. So now we're gonna start the lucky patcher and click on any of the application to inject the virus on that. Just go to now tools, and after that go to backup to recover the app after injecting the virus. Just go to now menu of the patches, then create a modified APK. Then you can see here the APK which is permissions and activities. Now just click on all of them like this. I will click on all of them to disable all of them. So guys, now go to reboot the app, and here you can see here it is downloading. Now you can see here the loading has been finished. Then just go to file. Here you can see here the option of go to file. Just go to file and install. After that, install. After installing, you need to install that application, and I will show you that how you can inject the virus. Don't miss any of these steps because if you will miss any of these steps, you can't inject the viruses. So guys, now it is installing. Just wait for some time for installing. After installing, I will show you the steps. Guys, my Q&A video is coming soon, and if you have any questions down there, comment down there. Now you can see here the universal copy. Here when I will click on the universal copy, like this interface will be seen, and after that you can see here unfortunately universal copy has been stopped. It is forced stop, friends. So guys, you can see here we have injected the virus on our Android app, that is universal copy. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting the more information about these types of technical videos and other technical tips. I am starting a Q&A video, friends. Link of my Facebook account is given in the description down there. You can check out there and be my friend on Facebook, and you can ask any questions on any tech related things. So I think you understand the whole video, and if you like it, like this video. If you don't like, dislike this video, but guys, please give a reaction to this video. So this much in this video, and hope you liked it. Have a nice day, have a nice time, bye.